Hey everyone, welcome Honest Auto Reviews. Today, we're diving into the future of transportation, electric bikes. We've rounded up the 5 best electric bikes of 2025, breaking them down one by one. Let's find the perfect e-bike for you. Number 1. H3 e-bike, the urban commuter. First up is the H3 e-bike, perfect for city dwellers. This lightweight yet sturdy bike comes with a 500W motor and a top speed of 28 miles per hour. Its compact design makes it easy to store, and the smart app integration lets you track your rides and battery life seamlessly. Key features: battery range, 60 miles on a single charge. Unique selling point: built-in anti-theft GPS tracker. Price: $1,200. Verdict: this bike is ideal for urban commuters who value efficiency and style. Number 2. TrailBlazer X5, the adventurer's choice. If off-roading is your thing, the TrailBlazer X5 is your dream e-bike. With a 750W motor, fat tires, and full suspension, it handles rough terrains like a pro. Key features: battery range, 80 miles. Top speed, 30 miles per hour. Bonus: weather-resistant design. Verdict: the TrailBlazer X5 is built for adventure seekers looking to conquer the wild. Number 3. EcoRide Breeze, the budget-friendly option. On a budget but don't want to compromise? Meet the EcoRide Breeze. This affordable bike offers a 250W motor, a lightweight aluminum frame, and a simple-to-use pedal assist feature. Key features: battery range, 50 miles. Price: only $850. Unique feature: foldable design for easy storage. Verdict: perfect for casual riders or students looking for an affordable, eco-friendly commute. Number 4. VoltTech Racer, the speed demon. For those who crave speed, the VoltTech Racer is a beast. With a 1000W motor, it hits a top speed of 35 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest e-bikes on the market. Key features: battery range, 70 miles. High-tech dashboard, includes navigation and fitness tracking. Price: $2,500. Verdict: a stylish and powerful e-bike for thrill seekers. Number 5. GreenWave CargoPro, the family hauler. Last but not least, the GreenWave CargoPro is a game-changer for families and utility riders. With its spacious cargo box and a 600W motor, it's designed for hauling heavy loads without breaking a sweat. Key features: battery range, 65 miles. Carrying capacity, up to 400 pounds. Bonus: child seat compatibility. Verdict: a versatile e-bike for families or small business owners. And there you have it, the 5 best electric bikes of 2025. Whether you're a commuter, adventurer, budget-conscious rider, speed enthusiast, or family-focused, there's something here for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews. Which e-bike caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.